Hello everyone, so in this video I will show you guys how to recover your deleted contacts from Google accounts. It's a easy process. You guys just need to go to Google Chrome and then search Google contacts. So wait for it and go to the first option that appears in your search box, and after that you guys just need to click on the upper left side of the screen, and there you will see a box name as trash. So there you will have your all the deleted contacts from the last 30 days, so you can easily recover anyone. Like say this as example I am recovering. Just click on the contact that you want to recover and then click on recover. See this, one contact recovered. So guys, if you like this video and found helpful, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. So thank you everyone.